Need to refresh your taskbar in Windows 11? I'll guide you on how to reset taskbar settings. Stay tuned for a quick and easy way to customize your workspace. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run box and type or paste in regedit, then hit Enter. Next, navigate to the following location by copy-pasting it in the text bar at the top. Computer OH key local machine or software M, Microsoft and Windows O current version O. Shell gupdate O packages. In the right panel, right-click anywhere, then choose New and select DWORD value, 32-bit, or the 64-bit option for those with a 64-bit system. Name it Undocking Disabled. Then double-click on it and set the value data to 1. Type or copy and paste the following text in a notepad file and save it as a BAT file. After you save the file, double-click on it to run the program. It will automatically reset your taskbar settings to default. From here, you can customize your taskbar if you go to the Settings window by pressing the Windows button +I, then follow Personalization from the left panel, followed by Taskbar from the right side. That's it. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.